The Broodlord, or Corporatura primus, is the ultimate product of Gene D and evolution. The Broodlord is immensely strong, agile, and durable, which makes it a superb frontline warrior. In addition to their already potent combat abilities, the Broodlord also has a few Tyranid biomorphs or biomechanical weapon symbiotes to choose from beyond its standing rending claws and scythe-long talons. Broodlords act as commanders for Tyranid assault forces, personally leading attacks that bear the synapse ability frequently observed in the higher forms of Tyranids, which allow them to coordinate the hive's mind psychic commands over less intelligent Tyranid species. This is unlike the traditional gene-stealer cults which grow and rise on infested imperial worlds to take its followers from among the local populace, and psychically dominate them and be worshipped as gods. The army led by the Broodlord is an infiltrating frontline vanguard operating in a similar manner to the Tyranid lictor. A Broodlord at the heart of a telepathic link can track its foes with the senses of many and employs its greater intellect to coordinate and command the lesser genes. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.